Hi everyone, I am Hattie Carr. I'm 21 years old, that's me. I am currently from Maricopa, Arizona. Although I have lived all over the country, I've lived in Wisconsin, Twin Cities, Minnesota, Idaho, Utah, name it, I've at least been there. My family is not military, but we just move a lot. We're fidgety people. Something interesting about me is I am engaged. I just want to brag about that to the wonderful AJ Nogurolis. He is from California, and we're very excited for April 21st. Something interesting about me is I love cats and I love tacos. So I found a shirt that had both of my two favorite things, and so I bought one for my dad too. I also served a mission in the Washington Tacoma mission, which is what got me started kind of into my love for psychology. I took a psychology course in high school, and I still, to this day, love that teacher, and I loved what I learned. It got me leaning towards psychology, but then on my mission, when I got to work with so many different kinds of people and learning about them, I fell in love with the idea of getting to serve them and helping them grow. In this class, I have been so excited to take, learning about human development and human growth and how it affects us, and all of it just fascinates me, especially into what I'm wanting to go into as a career, because I'm wanting to work in facilities, as in refugee programs, rehabilitation programs, addiction recovery, women's recovery, all those different kinds of facilities and programs that are completely focused on helping the person heal and helping them get back into the world as a stronger person, not letting what has happened to them affect them forever, stop them from being able to function, which is usually the point they get to if they end up in those facilities. And I really want to work with counseling one-on-one, and I also want to work with group therapy, but I also want to help them set up life programs to get back into the world. So it's a big dream, but I'm definitely excited because I'm a hard worker, and I'm focused on getting my PhD, but first my master's. And this course is really something that I am passionate about because I know that human growth and development definitely affects us and where we're at. Because if we hadn't had gone through those stages and stretched and developed, we wouldn't be where we're at today. And I'm excited to get more into depth about it. I've definitely learned some in my past courses, but it's only been little samples, and I'm excited to take a whole course to be able to see how I can apply it into my big goals that I'm setting. But I know they're possible, and I'm excited to take this class and get to know all of you and the instructor, and I'm excited for this semester. Bye.